Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a pie chart right here in Google Doc. Yes, you might not sure how to do that. You can put in even a figure and do the same thing. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to come all the way up here. So if you notice, these are the tab. If I click on the tab, you notice these are some stuff that actually in it. So I'm going to focus on the word insert. Now when you click on insert, you notice show your image, table, drawing, and all of these stuff right down here. All right, very important. But if you notice this right here, undo, view, and all that, if you notice right down here, show your image chart. But when you come right on a chart, you come across, notice you see column, you see line, notice this is pie. So you want to click on it. You notice this is says it's your pie chart, so you can right click on it. That's the same and add whatever you wanted to do. But if you notice underneath it, we have some stuff underneath it. Right here, show that line. Right here, so you can wrap text. Right here, show that break text. Right here, behind text. If you notice, in front text. Right? So if I click on wrap text, you notice basically I can move it go anyway. I can come right here and I can actually slide down just the same. So this is exactly how I insert the pie chart right here into Google Doc. It's very important. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.